Hello everyone, I am Akanksha. Welcome to my channel Video Excel. Today I have come with a scenario where we can apply sum product function and count the text within a cell. Let's see what is the scenario with us. You can see we have received these details, NEFT details, where we have a credit in our bank from these institute. So there are two institutes, Balaji Action Medical and Om Medical. Now we have to count how many credit NEFT are there from Om Nama Medical Institute. So we will apply the sum product function using the combination of is number and find in the sum product. Let's see the practical version of the same. Now you can see I have this whole thing in one cell. Okay, right? I have this whole thing in one cell, and now I want to make a count of the cell which have Om Nama. Okay, let's see how we will do it. We will use two function, is number, find and sum product. Let us see the basic usage of these function. So if I say is number and put any value, say 8, it will say true. Or if I put any text value, it will say false. Now let's talk about the find. What find does? It gives me the location or the place of that character in that cell. So let's say I have to find the location of Om within this cell. Okay, and it say it lies on the 46th. It's a 46th character, right? So what we will do with the sum product? Now if I want to find the character of Om in all the cells, let me take an array instead of a single cell in the find function only. It gives me a value because the array doesn't work in the find function. So what we will do, we will make a formula in the sum product because sum product takes the array values. Okay, let's start. Sum product. Now I will put two minus sign which will change true and false into 0 and 1. If you don't understand this, then you can go and check my previous video or check the card where you will find the basic usage and the basic argument what the sum product does. Okay, so let's say is number. It will give me true value if it is a number and false value if it's a text. Find. I have to find text. I will give the reference. Let's say this is my reference. Within the text, this is my array. Okay, and I think my all brackets are now good to do, and I will put enter. Now since this is blank, that's why it's giving me 23 values, all the values, because everything have space. Let me put Om Nama. It has given me 6. You can see there are 6 values with Om Nama. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 values of Om Nama. Now let's say if I change to action, it says it has 17 values, 17 cells which have this word in it. So this way you can count in a single formula using sum product. So if I go and check the formula, I select the formula and press F9, you can see there are 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 like this. Because when I'm checking the find and it doesn't find any word action in the first cell, so it gives me an error value which is number says it's false. So the result is false, which becomes 0, and where the result is numeric and is number is giving me the result of true, it's saying it's true. So it giving me the value, boolean value 1, and hence then it total the value and give you the desired result. So this way the sum product works. I hope this is clear, and let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section. And please do subscribe, share and like my video to motivate me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.